In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your signature in DocuSign. Let's start on your main DocuSign dashboard. Go ahead and sign into your account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you should see your home dashboard with your recent documents, templates, and any pending actions. This is your control center, and from here we'll navigate to the place where your signatures are managed. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your initials or a profile icon. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to your account-related settings and options. From this drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Manage Profile. Clicking this will take you away from the dashboard and into your main account settings page. This is where you control things like your personal information, security, and importantly for us, your signatures. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a vertical menu with different sections. Look for the one called Signatures and click on it. The Signatures section lists all the signatures and initials that are currently saved on your account. If you use DocuSign frequently, you might see more than one save style here. Find the specific signature you want to edit in the list. To the right of that signature, you'll see an Actions drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down. It will show a few options related to that particular signature. From the drop-down, select Edit. This opens the signature editing window. Here, you can see a preview of your current signature style and the available alternatives that DocuSign can generate for you. Next, choose a new signature style from the options shown. You can browse through the different font styles and select the one that best matches how you want your signature to look. Take a moment to make sure it's clear, professional, and easy to read, since this will appear on all documents you sign going forward. Once you're happy with the new signature you've selected, confirm your choice by clicking on the Create button. This saves your updated signature to your account and replaces the old one for future documents. And that's it. You've successfully edited your signature in DocuSign, and your new signature is now ready to use on any documents you sign.